I'm Felix Schneider of Restaurant Etz in Nürnberg, Franconia, Bavaria. We have a small restaurant, around 30 places, and we focus on regional and very seasonal cuisine. I think that we want to experience our guests as the beauty of the moment. So there's just things on the plate that come out of this moment. I think the biggest trends in gastronomy in the next 3 years will be decline of animal protein in the menus. So I think it will not be like a lot of vegan or vegetarian menus, but I think the decline of animal protein and putting vegetables into the focus in a lot of dishes is a trend that we will see internationally very strong. I think fine dining has a future because there's always people looking for excellence. So when you look in other areas, there's always excellence for different materials or the more finer leather or something like this. So there's always people looking for the better food. So I think there will always be restaurants serving things that are a little bit better or more refined made, more artisanal made than others. So I think in this context, fine dining gastronomy will survive. But it will maybe change its exterior, its shell. It will may look different,